Hello everyone, my name is Salwa Rahmadini, and I am a student of Indonesian Language and Literature Education at IKIP Siliwangi. Today, I would like to share my reflection on my English learning journey through this semester. I enjoy watching English learning videos and then taking notes about them in my notebook. I like decorating my notes with colors and creative reading because it makes me feel more excited and motivated to study. My favorite activity is practicing speaking English during the lecture season since it gives me a direct chance to apply what I have learned. However, I struggle with speaking fluently. I often find it difficult to find the right words quickly when speaking spontaneously, and I frequently make mistakes in grammar, especially with tenses. Another challenge I face is constructing sentences correctly. According to the grammar formula, I often get confused about which structure to use, especially when the pattern is more complex. I also sometimes study through applications like Duolingo and Similar. However, I am not consistent in using them. Sometimes my streak has already reached a high number, but because I miss a few days, it reset back to zero. This is this inconsistency. This inconsistency is actually one of my biggest challenges in learning English independently. I also try to expose myself more to English learning content, both videos and images that explain grammar rules and sentence formula. By watching and reading this material repeatedly, I slowly become more familiar with how the sentence pattern work. In addition, I tried using language learning applications such as Duolingo and Stimulor to support my learning outside of class. These apps help me practice vocabulary and speaking in a fun way. Although I realize I still need to build a more consistent study habit so my progress does not keep resetting. As a result of these efforts, I have improved in speaking confidence. I can now express my opinion in English without feeling too nervous. Even though I still make mistakes sometimes, I am also getting better at understanding grammar formula since I have practiced identifying sentence pattern more often. I am proud that I can now have a short conversation in English more naturally than before. Looking ahead, I still want to improve my speaking fluency and my understanding of grammar formula. My goal for next semester is to be more consistent using applications like Duolingo and Stimulor, so my learning streak and progress do not keep resetting. I also I also want to practice speaking English more regularly outside of class, perhaps by joining an English conversation club. In conclusion, this semester has taught me that learning English is a continual process full of challenge, but also full of progress. I start with hesitation, fear of making mistake, and inconsistency in my own learning habits. But through practice, support from my lecturer and classmates, and consistent exposure to English content, I have grown more confident as an English learner. I am ready to continue this journey, and this time with more consistency and the semester to come. Thank you.